Hello friends, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and today we are going to discuss the topic called significant figures. Now, in our daily routine life, we come across lots of things that have a very big or a very small number. For example, the distance between Sun and Earth, or the number of neurons present inside the brain, or the number of flappings a hummingbird can do. So all these numbers give problem for the scientists to do experiments and do the calculations. So at that time when they are facing that problem, these scientists with some other scientists made a system called as scientific notation. So scientific notation is a system that was developed to help represent these numbers that are very big or small in a way that was easy to read and understand. Okay, so what is the format of scientific notation? The format of scientific notation expresses a number as a value between 1 to 10 multiplied by power of 10. So for example, we have this number that is 4,300. We can either write it like this or this. Again, it's the same number. We just put a decimal point after 4 and make it 4.3 into 1,000. Or we can write it in the form of this. So here, this is basically the scientific notation. 4 comes within the range from 1 to 10. So we put the decimal point here. So 4.3 is basically the coefficient. And the 10 is the base. And the little 3 on the top is basically the exponent. Okay, now what is the rule of writing the scientific notation? The rules for writing very large or very small number in scientific notation are essentially the same. The only difference is direction in which the decimal point is moved. So the easy way to remember is just remember this word, LARS. L stands for left, A stands for add, R is right, S means subtract. Now what does that mean? When the decimal is moved to the left, the number of places it moves is added to the exponent. And when the decimal is moved to the right, the number of places it moves is subtracted from the exponent. Now it sounds quite heavy, right? Let's see an example to understand this concept. Okay, so let's start with writing a very large number in scientific notation. Let's think how many molecules are in one drop of water. If we take a standard value of a normal ordinary droplet of water, then the average size of a drop would be 0.05 ml. The density of the water is 1 and the mass is 0.05. So in one drop of water, we have approximately these molecules. Now this is a very large value, right? Now we need to convert this value into the scientific notation. The rule says to convert a number greater than 1 to scientific notation, the original decimal point is moved x places to the left and resulting number is multiplied by 10. So let's put a decimal point in the end like this and move it close to the 1 like here. Now let's count the number of places it jumped. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So how many places it jumped? It jumped 21 different places. So how can we write it in scientific notation now? We will just write 1.67 into 10 raised to power 21. See, now it's quite easy to understand what is this value. Okay, now let's go for the small number. So the example I have for a very small number is, let's take this atom and we are going to find out the mass of this teeny tiny electron present in this helium atom. So we are talking about these blue balls that is revolving around the nucleus. Okay, the mass of electron is approximately this big. Now it's again a very big value. Let's convert it into the scientific notation. Now, scientific notation first rule is that the value should be landing in between 1 to 10. So the rule says to convert a number less than 1 to the scientific notation, the original decimal point is moved x places to the right and the resulting number is multiplied by 10. So we have a decimal point right here. I changed its color so it's visible in the screen. Okay, now we are going to make this decimal point jump from here and after 9, like here. So we will have 9.1 right now, okay? Now let's count the numbers it jumped. So the decimal point was here, so we are going to skip this 0 and start counting from this 0. Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So how many places the decimal point jump? They jump 25 different places. So how are we going to write this number in a scientific notation? We will write it like 9.1 into 10 power minus 25. See? Easy peasy. Now let's do some practice questions. Okay. So I will ask the question and give you a little time. If the time is not enough, you can pause the video, do the calculation, and then get the answer. Okay? Okay, let's start. So, question number 1. Which number is written correctly in scientific notation? Answer is B. Why not A or C? Because the value of scientific notation should be landing in between 1 to 10. If we look at the value A, that's 45. 45 is above 10, not landing in between, okay? So this is not the scientific notation. Why not C? Because this is less than 1. It's 0.45, right? So this is again not a scientific notation value. Last answer is D. That's 450, a very big value as compared to 10. So the value that is landing in between 1 to 10 is the option B here. Okay, next question. What is 6.2 into 10 raised to power 4 written in standard notation? The answer is C. It's 62,000. How come? Because power 4 means 4 zeros, right? Or 4 jumping points. But it jumped the 2. So we will just put 3 zeros with the 2 here, and it will become 62,000. Okay, next question. What is 0.00058 written in scientific notation? Yep, the answer is 5.8 into 10 raised to power minus 4 because it jumps 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It needs to be in between 1 to 10 values. So 5.8 should be the answer. But it's also here. So how many powers it jump? It jumps 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4 will be the answer. Okay, next question. A positive exponent in scientific notation means the number is greater than or equal to 10. Last question. Which exponent would be used for the number 72,000? Okay, let's put the decimal point here. Let's make it jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will become 7.2. How many times it jumped? It jumped 4 times. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.